Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a video playlist on YouTube using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, and videos that are part of a playlist. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio via a shortcut within bookmarks. Click on this and then wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now go to the left hand side navigation menu, go to content, click on this. Navigate to our playlist section, and here we have a list of every single playlist that has ever been created within your channel. So I can now scroll down, filter by 50, and go to the first ever playlist on the last page that may have ever been created and whatever was updated. So let's go to the first page. I have a test playlist that I wish to delete. Go within that playlist itself. Top right corner, 3 dots. Delete from here or go back 1. And delete from the playlist section, 3 dots. Options, delete. And here we have the option on screen that says delete the playlist. Yes, are you sure you want to delete test playlist? Note: deleting playlists is a permanent action and cannot be undone. The videos within that playlist will not be deleted, which is great. Click on delete. Test playlist has been deleted because we no longer required that playlist, and it was a part of the previous tutorials for the test of those videos. We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.